Crafty Friends. It's Caroline, and I've got Miss Bella here with me today, and we have had a change of plans. I know that I was supposed to have that next tutorial posted today, and I'm having just, you know, life happens, right? I always have these big plans, but my air conditioner is struggling to keep up in this heat. I've got an HVAC guy hopefully coming out today. If not today, it's going to be tomorrow, and hopefully they'll get that repaired. In the meantime, we've decided to make a change of plans, and we're going to run some errands in some air-conditioned buildings. I dropped the big ones off. See, Miss Bella's peeking around over here. I dropped the big ones off over at art camp today at the school, and we're gonna hop in here at Michael's and pick up some of the, they have these kids craft kits on sale right now that are like really heavily reduced in their price. And so we're gonna go pick up one of those for Miss Bella, so she's got an art project to work on. We're gonna buy the bank, do some other stuff. Anyway, I will have the tutorial posted for you as soon as I can. Just wanted to hop on real quick and give you a little life update and enjoy the vlog. Have a great day.
Be kind to yourself.
And find some joy in your journey. Thanks so much, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
And a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond